Hello and welcome. Thank you for tuning in today to join us for another exciting Signia launch, just when you thought summer 2025 couldn't get any better. As most of you know, I'm Lewis and I'm joined by my colleague Matt, who many of you have also met before. We'll also be joined later by Federica from our field marketing team. Firstly, I want to provide a business update. Over the past few months, we have been working hard on aligning our team structure to ensure that we deliver the best possible service to you, our valued customers. During these transitions, we have greatly appreciated your support and continued partnership. As seen on the updated map on screen, which will be available to download, our newly bolstered team now comprises 8 business development managers, 2 field marketing specialists, and a dedicated training manager. We believe that stronger local presence combined with business development, targeted marketing, and robust support will empower you to achieve your goals more effectively and accelerate our collective growth. I have complete confidence that this structure will enable us to support you more than ever moving forward in our shared mission to bring wonderful sound to all. As mentioned, we've got a lot to share with you today, from exciting new products to some powerful updates that will take the Signia iX platform even further.
That's right. This launch isn't just about adding new devices. It's about building on something already truly exceptional, whether it's connectivity, wearability, or paste and customization. We're pushing boundaries again with Signia iX. Not only does Signia iX stand for integrated experience, ensuring everyone can enjoy conversation and noise, even in the most complex of situations, we are proud to say that iX now can also stand for inclusive and expansive, representing the most comprehensive portfolio on the latest platform available in the market today, covering every hearing loss, every preference, and every lifestyle.
So, let's dive in and show you what makes Signia iX more than just a platform. It's hearing technology designed for every ear, every need, and every wearer preference.
Since the beginning, we've made it our mission to push the boundaries of what hearing technology can do. And we've done it time and time again with unrivaled legacy of world's first. Although the Signia brand was born in 2016, our legacy spans back to 1878, nearly 150 years ago. We launched the world's first completely digital hearing aid with dual microphones. Then came the first hearing system with a wireless synchronization. We pioneered inductive rechargeable hearing aids, the first with lithium ion, and created the only technology to truly help solve the own voice problem with own voice processing. And we didn't stop there. From integrated acoustic motion sensors to the first live deep neural network AI technology to redefining form factors with the world's first slim rec and the world's only earbud style and CIC hearing aids, Signia has always set the pace. Why? Because we don't follow trends, we set them. Everything we do puts the wearer at the heart of our innovations. We're here to challenge stigmas, empower individuality, and design hearing solutions that people are proud to wear. We didn't create our brand promise, be brilliant, for no reason. Redefining the future of hearing is something we've become pretty good at. And with Signia iX, that vision continues. Signia iX is powered by the only dual processor platform in the industry, where background noise and speech are processed separately. So wearers can hear clearly even in complex environments. And with the real-time conversation enhancement, iX can track and enhance multiple speakers at once, helping wearers stay part of the conversation, not just hear it. And now, with our latest product additions, we're expanding the platform even further, delivering on the promise of offering a truly inclusive and expansive portfolio, the only platform that covers every type of hearing loss and form factor style on the latest platform, with rechargeability.
Signia Integrated Experience. One portfolio, more ways to unlock the power of conversation. Tracking and enhancing multiple conversation partners in noisy group conversations in real time. So everyone can connect to the conversation however they choose. Design that meets the wearers on their terms. Integrated experience. Because the power of conversation is for everyone. the Signia IX portfolio. Be brilliant.
Let's start with power and flexibility. We're introducing the new Motion Charge&Go range with the M, P and SP IX devices, a refreshed BTE range that's smarter, more connected and more inclusive than ever, given that it's built on the groundbreaking IX platform. To date, these BTEs are the only rechargeable BTE range available on a manufacturer's latest hearing aid platform.
Bring everyone into the conversation with the Motion Charge&Go IX BTE family. Featuring Signia's groundbreaking real-time conversation enhancement technology and up to 65 hours of battery runtime, so nobody misses a moment, no matter the level of hearing enhancement required. The rechargeable Motion Charge&Go IX BTE family. Bring everyone into the conversation. Signia. Be brilliant.
All models now include a built-in telecoil, upgraded galvanic charging and a new transparent serial number window for instant visibility. The redesign also features a sleek new shell and an integrated LED indicator for added ease of use.
And just like the rest of the iX family, they're fully cross-compatible with the Cross Pure Charge&Go BCT iX. Connectivity includes both MFI and Asher, along with full support for Streamline mic and our new TV sound and programming via NoaLink wireless.
A Motion Charge&Go M comes with a new updated standard charger, while the P and SP models are compatible with the full Signia charging suite you already know and love, including the dry and clean and multi-charger options.
They're also available in a whopping 14 colour options, including a couple of brighter, bolder colours, ensuring that wearers can express themselves according to their personal style preferences while benefiting from incredible technology. There is also the choice of technology levels 7, 5 and 3.
And here's where it gets really exciting. With the Motion Charge&Go iX, even clients with the most complex hearing needs, including those using the SP, can now experience powerful, focused hearing with the full benefits of the iX platform.
What's more, in a recent study, Signia iX was found to deliver twice the speech enhancement benefit with a remarkable 3.2 dB SNR improvement versus key competitors. To access the study, please scan the QR code on the screen.
Evidence like this proves that the Signia iX isn't just innovation for innovation's sake. It's about delivering better hearing in the real world for wearers who rely on clarity, consistency and comfort. The new Motion Charge&Go iX range is a game changer. Now let's talk about custom. The new Insio Charge&Go CIC iX is a world's first, a fully rechargeable custom CIC device that delivers a near-on invisible design without sacrificing technology. The only custom CIC to benefit from directionality. This means that for the first time, you do not need to compromise on almost invisible discretion for enhancement of speech in noise.
When the world distracts, zero in. Insio Charge&Go CIC IX, a truly unique one-mic CIC device with directionality. Powered by high-speed binaural processing to keep the wearer focused on the conversation. Now fully rechargeable. And as discreet as ever. Insio Charge&Go CIC IX. Invisibly powerful. Signia. Be brilliant.
As Matt mentioned, it also features binaural one-mic directionality 2.0, an industry-first innovation that delivers 5 times the speech enhancement in noise compared to key competitors, even with just one microphone. Simply put, the Insio Charge&Go CIC offers directionality without compromise in the most discreet rechargeable custom form factor we've ever offered.
The Insio CIC IX is available in tech levels 7, 5 and 3, available with the Cross Silk IX and fully programmable via the Connex Air. For wearers who want advanced support in a device that disappears, this is the future of custom hearing. And we're not stopping there with the Insio IX and the Motion range. There's even more good news. I'm pleased to say we're further expanding accessibility across the whole platform with the launch of the Pure Charge&Go BCT IX in tech levels 2 and 1. This means even more wearers can now benefit from the IX platform, including those seeking a high-quality solution at an entry-level price point, without sacrificing performance, rechargeability, and connectivity, thanks to Bluetooth Classic.
It's important to note that no matter which tech level wearers choose, they can still access a multitude of great features, such as our Signia app. Speaking of which, Matt, earlier on, you said that Signia were the first to launch a live deep neural network AI technology. Can you expand on that? Amidst all of the incredible technology in our hearing aids, it's important not to forget some of the amazing supplementary tech we have developed to support our wearers.
As audiologists, your clients rely on you for trusted guidance, but they also want flexibility. That's where the Signia Assistant comes in. Built right into the Signia app, the Assistant uses a live deep neural network trained with millions of real-world listening experiences to offer intelligent, personalized support wherever your client needs it. Whether it's adjusting sound in a challenging environment or answering a quick question, the Assistant empowers wearers to manage their hearing independently, whilst also providing you with insights and feedbacks via Connex. Think of it this way. It's like having a virtual extension of you and your clinic in your client's pocket, available 24/7, but always under your control when needed. With the Signia IX and other technologies like our Signia Assistant, you're not just delivering exceptional hearing technology, you're delivering smarter support, deeper insights, and better outcomes for every client.
Thanks, Matt. AI is the hot topic across the industry right now, but at Signia, we've been leading the way for years in terms of innovation. It's just one more example of how Signia sets the pace, not just following trends, but defining them years before anyone else. Before we wrap up, we want to pass over to Federica, one of our field marketing specialists, who will talk you through some of the extensive marketing support available to help you make the most of this launch.
Now that you have heard all about the incredible new products launching into our Signia IX family, let's talk about how we can support you in promoting it in your clinic. At WS Audiology, we pride ourselves not only on delivering exceptional hearing solutions, but also on providing outstanding support to our partners. And of course, that includes marketing. Emily and I, together with our brand teams, are here to help you bring Signia IX to life in your clinic. From tailored marketing campaigns to fresh promotional materials, we have got you covered. Let's take a look at what's currently available. In-store branding. Make a strong first impression with your patients. The new IX range is ready to land in your clinic with new posters, display dummies, and informative leaflets, all designed to catch attention and spark curiosity. Traditional marketing. Do you prefer a more classic approach? We can support you with letter drop campaigns, newspaper ads, radio spots, and even open day events. Whether your audience responds to will help you to reach them effectively. Digital marketing. Well, let's be honest, between appointments, admin, and patient care, keeping your online presence up to date can be a challenge. That is where we come in handy. We can help you refresh your website, create ongoing social media content, run SEO or pay-per-click campaigns, and even feature patients' video testimonial. Let's work together to boost your online visibility. Last but not least, database campaigns. Your database is your strongest lead generator, and we are here to help you leverage it. Whether you're looking to retarget customers who purchased hearing aids a few years ago and are now ready to upgrade to the latest technology through a personalized letter or an e-shot, or if you're planning to invite them back into your clinic for a dedicated demo day, we can help you craft the right message for the right audience. Our team will work with you to segment your database, define key objectives, and ensure every campaign is tailored to deliver results and drive engagement from people who already know and trust your brand. These are just a few ways we are here to support your business, but of course, we are always open to new ideas. Whether you need assistance with the options above or have something unique in mind, we would love to hear from you. Get in touch with us and let's get started on growing your clinic's visibility today.
So, what have we covered today? A revitalized BTE range, a world's first rechargeable CIC with directionality, and essential price points for Pure Charge&Go BCT IX. We have also updated certain areas of our business support to help enhance your clinic offering and growth. And above all, an expanded, inclusive platform designed to meet the real needs of every wearer who walks through your doors.
And it's all powered by Signia IX, the most extensive hearing aid platform available on the market and the only platform with dual processors and real-time conversation enhancement. From mild to profound hearing loss, and from ultra discreet to ultra powerful, this is a portfolio without limits.
It's why we say we have something for every ear and every need. Signia IX represents one platform, all styles, no compromises.
With Signia, you're not just offering hearing aids. You're offering wearers the confidence to thrive, the tools to stay connected, joining the fight against stigma with technology to truly be brilliant.
Finally, if you have any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local business development manager, who will be happy to discuss everything we've covered with you today and update you on our exclusive launch offer. Thank you for joining us. We hope you are as excited as we are about this launch. So from myself and the team, take care and see you soon.